The Aframe is situated in Sunshine Beach. It backs out onto the national park, and it is a mid-century modern A-frame cabin.
The A-frame is a cabin in the woods. Like if you were to go into the hinterland or into the wilderness, that's kind of the atmosphere that we wanted to create with it. When we were designing it, Matt really wanted an A-frame. To me, we had a certain amount of square meterage that you could use because it's a second dwelling. So we were trying to maximize the floor space. So that's why we came up with the idea to have the straight walls and then go up into an A. It also kind of created more of like a modern cathedral almost kind of look to it.
When you walk in, it's all spotted gum cladding, spotted gum decking, and then when you walk through the sliding doors, you have a little kitchen table on the right-hand side.
We always had a vision of what we wanted. We wanted it to be mid-century. We had color schemes in mind. We'd already bought the couch, so everything kind of had to revolve around what the couch and the chair looked like because I'd bought those about a year ago.
We have some Canadian decorations as well that we actually went to Canada and brought back with us from the op shop. So we have a super cool teak mirror from the 60s in the bathroom. A lot of the pots that have the plants in are from the op shop in Canada. The cat clock, the Felix the cat, because we went like proper mid-century styling. And even in the bathroom, the bathroom vanity was an old vanity from the op shop that we had for like a year at our house, just sitting there. And we customized it to be a bathroom vanity and had to cut out the drawers so the pipes would fit. And yeah, so there's heaps of cool original things that you won't see anywhere else. You feel like you're in the national park. You can just wake up in the loft in the morning. You can look through the skylights, hopefully see the koala, hear the birds, make a lovely breakfast and sit on the patio and just kind of watch the day go by.